Hi, good afternoon. My name is Jody Buenavista, married with 2 sons. My eldest is 8 years old and my youngest is 3 years old. I have a working experience here in Philippines as a helper in 2 years. The husband is 45 years old and his wife is 38 years old and their daughter is 15 years old. I have also experienced work in abroad as domestic helper in Lebanon. There are 4 members in the family. The husband is 35 years old and his wife is 34 years old. They have 1 boy and 1 girl. The girl is 6 years old and the boy is 3 years old. My main duties is cleaning the house, ironing, take care of kids, and all household works. Thank you.